condition of these two is known as proportion. Now, what is direct proportion? Direct proportion means if this condition, if the condition 1 is increasing, condition 2 is also increasing. If the condition 1 is decreasing, the condition 2 is also decrease. This is known as direct proportion, right? Like, let's take an example. A car is moving from point A to B in different time slots. Like in 5 minutes, it moved 100 meter. In 10 minutes, it moved 200 meter. In 15 minutes, it moved 300 meter, and in 20 minutes, it moved 400 meter. Right? So, in 5 minutes, it is moving 100 meter. In next 5 minutes, it is moving also 100 meter. The difference between these two is 5, these two is 5, these two is also 5. Here, the difference between the distance is 5, distance is 100, sorry, 100. Right? Now, let's take the proportion of it. Proportion means ratio. So, ratio 100 divided by 5 minutes. It will give you 20 meter per minute. Right? 20 meter per minute. Now, on solving this, it will be 200 divided by 10. It will also give you 20 meter per minute. And same like these two, 20 meter per second. This shows that direct proportion has a formula, that is x divided by y will always be equal to constant. A is constant. First condition divided by second condition is always equal to constant, right? So, in direct proportion, the entities are increasing directly. If one is increasing, other is also increasing. If one is decreasing, other will also decrease. Right? Let's take another example for this. For making 1 cup of tea, for making 1 cup of tea for 1 person, what we need? 1 cup of milk, right? But for more people, like if there are 5 people, the quantity of milk will also increase, right? That will become 5 cup of milk. So, the increase is directly proportional, right? Let's take another example for decreasing. Decreasing can be like if the area, if the dimension, like length and breadth of any field is decreasing, area will also get decreased. Okay? The length and the breadth of any field 1. So question number 1. Following are the car parking charges near a railway station up to. So some of the charges are given. What is this? For 4 hours, it is charging 60 rupees. For 8 hours, it is charging 100 rupees. For 12 hours, there are 140 rupees. And for 24 hours, it is 180. Right? And it is being asked that these charges are in direct proportion or not. Let's see. We know that directly proportion has a formula that x divided by y should always be equal to the constant, right? Okay, so if we take this as x and this as y, so it will be 60 divided by 4, it will be 15. 100 divided by 8, it will be definitely less than 15, because it is 50 divided by 4, so it will be 12 point something. 4 ones are 4 and 4 2s are, yes, 12 point something. 140 divided by 12, it will be 10 point something, and 180 divided by 24. It will also be less than this, right? So this is not a constant because it is changing regularly. It is 15, 12, 10 and whatever the value will have. So this shows that these charges are not in direct proportion. Alright? Okay, so this was your concept of direct proportion. You can solve the exercise 13.1 now.